Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2019 Ram 1500 that we just outfitted with a set of Method wheels. On this setup, we did the Method MR305 in a 20x9 offset plus 18 bolt pattern 50139.7. So this fitment's great. Lug nuts you'll need 14 by 1.5, and hub rings 108 to 78. So this one we added tires 275 60 20, the Goodyears, the factory tire OEM, and then it fits well. This one was recently lowered so that way the gap gets closed up. So it looks well for being a positive 18 on these single cab Ram 1500s. If you guys are interested in something like this for your pickup truck, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.